teach you how to make a background image transparent in Google Slides. This skill is handy for enhancing presentations, allowing text to stand out against a subtle image backdrop without compromising readability. Let's get started on making your slides more visually appealing. First, open your web browser and go to Google Slides. You can do this by typing Google Slides into your search bar and clicking the first link that appears. If you're not already logged in, sign in with your Google account. This step is crucial because it allows you to access and edit your presentations from anywhere. Once signed in, you'll be directed to the Google Slides homepage. Here, you have a couple of choices. Click on a blank presentation to start from scratch, or select a template that suits the theme of your project. Templates can provide a helpful starting point if you're aiming for a specific look, but a blank presentation gives you full creative freedom. Next, let's bring in the image you want to work with. Insert an image onto your slide by going to the menu bar, selecting Insert, and then Image. You can upload from your computer, search the web, or use an image from Google Drive. Place your image on the slide where you want it. After positioning your image, it's time to adjust it. Click on your image to select it, then go to the menu bar and click Format, followed by Format Options. A sidebar will appear on the right side of your screen with various settings you can adjust to perfect your image. Scroll down in this sidebar until you find the section labeled Adjustments. Here, you'll see a slider for transparency. Moving the slider to the right makes the image more transparent, while moving it to the left reduces transparency. Adjust it until you achieve the desired effect that complements your slide's content. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you can make an image background transparent in Google Slides. This technique helps improve the professional appearance of your presentations and ensures your content communicates clearly. Thank you for watching and happy presenting.